first, today's headlines. National level membership growth training program hosted by Southern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Basic course for Rover Scout leaders and Ranger leaders conducted by Bellary District. Unique ID being given to the members of Bharat Scouts and Guides after registration of OYMS. Swachhta Pakhwada organized by the Bharats of NE Railway, NF Railway and Southeastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides. A workshop on first aid was organized by East Central Railway. Fit India Freedom Run organized by the members of East Central Railway and Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides. First virtual patrol leaders Jamboree was conducted by the Bharat Scouts and Guides, NE Regional Headquarters. Now, myself Sangamitra Gautam from Southeastern Railway. Now it's a time for brief news. At first, some national news. Southern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guide hosted national level membership growth facilitators training course from 26 to 30 September at Perambur. Southern Railway participants from 11 states of the country participated in this training course. Shri P. Uday Kumar Reddy, State Chief Commissioner of Southern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides, inaugurated the course. Basic course for Rover Scout leaders and Ranger leaders were conducted by Bellary District of Karnataka State Bharat Scouts and Guides from 22nd to 28th September. Camp was organized at Moraji Desai Residential School, Mukka, Bhairavadevi's village, which was inaugurated by Shri P.G.R. Sindhia, Honorable Chief State Commissioner of Karnataka State Bharat. On the occasion of Rashtriya Poshan Maha, Dr. Nallikuppu Swami Vivekanand Vidyalaya Junior College, Ambutar District on 29th September, Cubs, Bulbul, Scouts and Guides offered rice, vegetable, fruits to the needy people and explained them about nutrition, food and how to keep them healthy in this pandemic situation.
Namaste to all. I am Hansika, guide of Ambattur district from Dr. Nallikuppusamy Vivekananda Vidyalaya Junior College. Now I am going to share few points about eating healthy food. A healthy eating pattern can help you to keep healthy.
A workshop on online youth management system was organized by Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guide at state headquarters, Patna from 23rd to 27th September. The workshop inaugurated by the State Chief Commissioner Shri Ram Kumar Singh in the presence of Shri Bablu Goswami, Assistant Director Officials for enhancing the technical skills and use to technology. They also invited all the officials to contribute for the development of scouting guiding. The workshop was conducted under the leadership of Srinivas Kumar, State Secretary. Members of Southeastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides are continuously working on Swachh Bharat Abhiyan under Swachhta Pakhwada at State Training Center, Adra. They are conducting cleanliness drives. Firefighting training was organized by Bokaro unit of Southeastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 25th September, in which different types of firefighting techniques were introduced to the rovers and rangers. One-day camp on Swachhta Pakhwada was organized on 26 September by Chakadarpur Division of Southeastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Blood donation camp and seminar on eye donation and full body donation after the death was organized by Southeastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 26 September under the leadership of Mr. Sujit Chattopadhyay, DOC Scout Adra. 50 units blood was donated. Blood donation camp in collaboration with District Education Office was organized by Naupada District of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 26 September. On 24th September, Danapur Division of East Central Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a workshop on pioneering in which theory and practical training on knots and lashings was imparted to the participants. Workshop on first aid was also organized on 28th September at State Training Center, Danapur, with 32 Scouts and Guides. The Scouts and Guides of Government High School, Vishakhapatnam district of Andhra Pradesh, State Bharat Scouts and Guide distributed food packets in flood affected areas on 28 September. Pulse Bureau service was rendered by the Rovers and Rangers of East Central Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guide from 27 to 29 September at Danapur Railway Station. Fit India Freedom Run initiative is promoted by the members of East Central Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides and Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides, in which Scout Guides, Rovers and Rangers are taking part actively. Members of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides are taking part in various sustainable development goals like Goal 2, Zero Hunger, feeding the needy people, Goal 3, Good Health, organizing various health campaigns and initiatives, and Goal 4, Quality Education, providing education to the unprivileged children. First virtual regional level petrol leader Jamboree was conducted by the NE Regional Headquarters, Guwahati, Assam from 24 to 28 September. 40 members from 8 states of the region actively participated in the event. On 24th September, the event was inaugurated by Mrs. Amelia Swear, International Commissioner of Guides, BSG and State Secretary of BSG. Meghalaya State, Shri Rajkumar Kaushik, Director Bharat Scouts and Guides, along with other invitees, were also present in the opening ceremony. The Jamboree was conducted under the leadership of Mr. Annalendra Sharma, Assistant Director, BSG, NE region, with the help of a team of experienced leaders and trainers of NE region. Swachhta Pakhwara campaign was observed by the members of Bharat Scouts and Guides in NF Railway, New Bangaon district on 28 September to spread awareness on cleanliness amongst the passengers and public. The participants organized Nukkad Natak at New Bangaon railway station. The Bharat Scouts and Guides District Association Darg organized a 5-day petrol leaders training camp from 22nd to 26 September at BSP Higher Secondary School, Sector 8, Bhilai, Chhattisgarh. 103 Scouts and Guides from different schools participated in this camp. Bharat Scouts and Guides District Bemetara organized debate and extempore speech competition on the occasion of Social Justice Day on 25th September at Government Higher Secondary School, Andhar Khor, Chhattisgarh. On the occasion of World Tourism Day on 27 September, a hike was organized by the Scouts and Guides of Government Higher Secondary School, Binjali District, Narayanpur. About 30 Scouts and Guides participated in this hike. District Management Personality Development and Adventure Campaign Camp was organized from 24 to 28 September at District Training Center, Kotaya, District Surajpur, Chhattisgarh. School Education Minister Dr. Premsai Singh Tekam, who arrived at the closing ceremony of the camp, extended his blessing to the participants of the camp. 80 Scouts, Guides, Rovers and Rangers from all 5 districts of the division participated in the camp. A joint meeting of Bharat Scouts and Guides District Association of Ujjain and Shahjahanpur was organized from UNICEF project at Bharat Scouts and Guides District Headquarters, Ujjain, where 2 participants from Shahjahanpur and 34th participant from Ujjain district participated in this meeting. On the auspicious occasion of Anant Chaturdashi, fruits were distributed to the students of Akshar-Gyan Vidyapith, running for literate children of Saharia tribals at the Bharat Scouts and Guides Street Training Center, Gandhinagar, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. A 7-day state-level advanced course for Scout Master, Scout Master and Rover Scout leaders was organized at State Training Center, Gandhinagar, Bhopal from 20th to 26th September, in which 47 Scout Masters, Cub Masters, Rover Scout leader from across the state participated. The camp was conducted in the presence of the chief guest Shri Dalveer Singh Raghav, State Commissioner of Bharat Scouts and Guides. 108 Scouts and Guides, Rovers and Rangers participated in the Fit India Freedom Run, organized by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports at District Hanumangarh, Rajasthan on 24th and 25th September. Bharat Scouts and Guides, Jabalpur District Association of West Central Railway conducted a cleanliness drive in the railway colonies on 25th September, where 40 Scouts, Guides, Rovers and Rangers cleaned the colonies and made the residents aware about the cleanliness. Apart from this, Rovers and Rangers of Kota district also conducted cleanliness awareness campaign among passengers through street plays at various railway stations. Fit India Freedom Run was organized by Kota district of West Central Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 27 September 2021, in which 50 Scouts, Guides, Rovers and Rangers and officials of Kota District Association. Himachal Pradesh Bharat Scouts and Guides organized Pravesh Camp in Kangra District on 24 September, in which 17 Rovers and 17 Rangers participated. 4 members of Bharat Scouts and Guides Himachal Pradesh participated in national level state membership growth coordinated training program held at Chennai, Tamil Nadu from 26 to 30th September. A delegation of Jammu and Kashmir Bharat Scouts and Guides District Udhampur met with District Development Commissioner Udhampur, President Jammu and Kashmir Bharat Scouts and Guides District Udhampur on 28 September and discussed about the development of scouting and guiding in the district. On the occasion of Swachhta Pakhwara Divas on 28 September, the Patel Scout Group of Kanchganj District Ijatnagar, NE Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a cleanliness program at railway station Kanchganj and cleaned the railway colony and station campus. They also took an oath to maintain cleanliness in and around the railway station, where 11 members of the group participated in the program. On the call of Ministry of Railway of District Gonda of NE Railway State, Bharat Scouts and Guides made aware the passengers of trains about the cleanliness on 28 September 2021 under Swachhta Pakhwara. The Scout, Guides, Rovers and Rangers also motivated the passenger to maintain the cleanliness, where 35 members participated in this program. In collaboration with the Bareka administration, the Scouts, Guides, Rovers and Rangers of Bareka district of Northeastern Railway State Scout and Guides organized a cleanliness program at Ravindra Tagore Park, Varanasi on 28 September. They cleaned the park and motivated the public to keep cleanliness in the locality. Dr. R. Elangovan, State Chief Commissioner of Tamil Nadu State Association and former Director of School Education, inaugurated the state-level Cup Bulbul Utsav on 24 September. In the Utsav, 180 Cubs and Bulbuls actively participated. Mr. Mahadevan, District Secretary, conducted the Utsav. Now it's a time for COVID news. COVID awareness campaign and marks distribution program was organized by Adar Division of Southeastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 28 September. Now it's a time for forthcoming events. 64th World Jamboree on the air, Jota. 25th World Jamboree on the internet, Joti, 15 to 17th October. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular number 109. 25th World Scout Jamboree, Semangiam, Korea. For more details, refer to Circular number 111 dated 2nd September. World Sangam Day celebration 16th October. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular number 112 dated 6th September. Master Trainers Training for BST Digital Smart Generation. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular number 113 dated 6th of September. National Level Service Camp for Rovers at National Adventure Institute, Karshang, Darjeeling. For more details, refer to National Headquarters Circular number 116 dated 13th September. Course for Leader Trainer Guide Wings. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular number 118 dated 16th of September. Himalaya Wood Badge Course for Flock Leader. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular number 119 dated 16th of September. Himalaya Wood Badge Course for Guide Captain. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular number 120 16th of September. Himalayan Wood Badge Course for Ranger Leaders. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular number 121 dated 16 September. Celebration of International Day of Girl Child competition. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular number 123 dated 17th of September. Generation Equality Unlocked India's vision for an equal world open to all. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular number 127 dated 24th September. 27th APR Scout Conference Taiwan is now organized virtually. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular number 131 dated 28th September. 10th APR Scout Youth Forum virtually. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular number 132 dated on 28th September 2021. Thank you so much.